Hey there, welcome back to another Filmora tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur a video using Filmora. It's a useful technique when you need to hide sensitive information or objects in your footage. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Filmora. Now open Filmora. To get started, I've already added a video clip to my timeline, and I want to blur out some text on the screen. Step 2. Blur the video. First, let's head over to the Effects tab and select Utility from the sidebar, and search Mosaic. Now drag the mosaic effect from the list above your video clip on the timeline. To match the length of your video, you can drag the mosaic clip's end. This ensures that the blur duration matches your video's duration. Now let's go and adjust the blur. That's looking good, but if you want to customize the blur further, double-click the mosaic clip on the timeline to bring up its settings. Here, you can change the type of blur. For instance, you can choose a more pixelated blur. Beneath that, you can adjust the blur amount. If it's too blurry or not blurry enough for your needs, use this slider to fine-tune it. The opacity slider allows you to control how much of the original subject shows through the blur. That's how you blur a video in Filmora. It's a handy technique for privacy or editing purposes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.